Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on the nitty-gritty YouTube channel, where today I'm going to be showing you how to properly detail your car. This is my Mark II Audi TT and I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, you have to check the interior of your car, obviously, for any sort of trash or anything. As you can see, my cubby here is full of everything, so let's get this sorted. So when everything in your car has been taken out, just start vacuuming. So what I like to do while I'm vacuuming is I like to use a small brush, hold the vacuum next to a vent and just clean out all the dust from inside the vent. It's the easiest thing to do when cleaning out your vents. So you might have noticed that when I pulled out the carpets from the car, these are very dirty, and we'll get to that in a second. So we're gonna start on cleaning the inside. So we're gonna grab some microfiber cloths and an interior cleaner. When detailing, I use this brush and of course, as I've shown you, the interior cleaner. But I do not spray the interior cleaner directly onto the surface where I'm cleaning. So all of this, I'm not spraying directly onto that because some of the stuff could be getting on the window itself and it leaves nasty stains on glass. So grab the brush, spray on the interior cleaner and just start agitating into the surface. Once you've done the whole door, you can wipe it down with a microfiber cloth. Now I have a tip for you. So you can see this Audi logo right here has some nice little crevices where dirt can get trapped inside of these little crevices right here. So this is why we primarily use the brush, to get in all the crevices and to clean it thoroughly so you don't leave anything in these little spots, and the buttons as well. Don't be afraid to use the brush with the interior cleaner on these buttons, any of these buttons. Don't use it on the screen, not preferably. You can though, no problem. All these buttons, anything, it's not gonna get damaged. I've always used the brush on the buttons and I've never had any problems, so you can comfortably use it. And once you've done all that, just wipe it down and you'll get a nice clean finish. Don't hang the horn though, this one doesn't work without the contact. So yeah, just wipe it down. You can also wipe down the interior pieces with a dry cloth as well if the material looks like aluminium or any of these black plastic that is smooth, just because you will get stains on it if you have that kind of an interior cleaner, and I'm not sure which ones do that. Mine does that, so I always use a dry microfiber after I wet wipe it. So do that if you don't want any stains. And now it looks much better, like new. Now I'll just continue the process all around the car. Obviously the dashboard and the cubby here, you can obviously just spray the interior cleaner on and just wipe it off. You don't have to do the brush thing unless you want all the crevices around here, buttons and everything as clean as possible. Then do use the brush method, but otherwise not necessary if you don't want a really detailed look. When you're cleaning a car, as you can see, there is this down here. So what you want to do is pull down this thing right here to adjust the steering and pull it down so you can access this bit right here easier and clean it out. These bits are usually the dirtiest on any car I've ever detailed. So what you want to do now is Put that there. Put the towel under or next to the pedals to clean them, and you'll see it in a second why. Use a separate brush and the interior cleaner or any other cleaner I guess would work, even water, because this is the dirtiest bit of the car, and this is why we're using the brush, and the difference you're gonna see is going to be insane. And now, as you can see, the pedals look and the footrest look much better. Let's move it on. What you want to do now is the door seals. This handle right here is usually the things you put your shoe over, as you can see right there. You just wipe down with the interior cleaner, and you can also use some plastic, shiny stuff, matte stuff, whatever you like. I promised I'll show you what to do with the carpets if they're looking awful like my ones. So what I do, I grab this drill attachment, the soft one, and I'll spray some of my cleaner, carpet cleaner on there from Kinotech, and let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'll just drill brush it to agitate it, and then use my extractor right here to get the liquid out. So now that I have done both of the carpets, I will start with the extractor. So what you're gonna wanna do is, of course, fill your water right behind, or whatever extractor you have. I have this one, the Carher SE 4001. So turn on the water, you can hear the pump, and then turn on the vacuum and start spraying and extracting first, and then just extract the liquid. Don't overspray it because you're gonna rinse it so bad it's never gonna dry. So let's do it. As you can see, it made a bit of a difference this, but I would need like more than 2 hours just to get somewhere. But the better solution, if you run into something like this, just like I did, go into the car wash, or if you have something to wash, a pressure washer at home, you can pressure wash these first, then agitate, pressure wash again, agitate, then do it with the drill brush and extract with the extractor, and then just let it out in the sun or with a blow dryer or something to dry these. So yeah, let's put these back inside. I would like to say, don't get a car with the beige interior. It's absolutely impossible to clean. And if you're doing dirty work or just have a dirty driveway, seriously don't buy a beige car interior, or white, even worse. So in the next video, I will be showing you what to do with this. This is for leather cleaning, and I'll show you how to do that in the next video, since my seats are also beige and I wonder what we can get out of this. So hopefully you enjoyed this quick little detailing video on my Mark II TT, and more coming soon to the channel. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.